Hi guys, I'm so excited you're here today because I have such a cute project to share with you. I follow Amber from Lyric Lover Crafts. I've been following her for, gosh, maybe 14 years? I'm not sure, but it's been so long. But she is the queen of craft fair ideas, and when I saw her project, I knew I had to make it. I will be listing her tutorial in the description box for you. So I'm going to share this cute project with you. I'm going to share the products that I used, and I want to remind you that tomorrow is the retreat, the virtual retreat, so don't forget. It starts at 10 a.m. Pacific time, or 1 p.m. Eastern, or 12 p.m. Central Time, depending on where you are in the world. So we've got a beautiful lineup. We have 4 instructors on Saturday. Sunday will be starting at 2 p.m. Pacific Time, or 5 p.m. Eastern, or 4 p.m. Central Time, depending on where you are. And then also, again, we'll have 4 instructors on Sunday. So it'll be a packed full weekend of crafting. We will be live in the chat. So if you have any questions or want to hang out and chat with us, we'll all be there. I'll have the link to register to this free virtual retreat. You'll get an email letting you know when the classes go live. So I can't wait to see you there. We're going to have prizes. It's going to be lots of fun. So I hope you can join us. So I'm going to share this collection first. So this is the Halloween coffee collection. It's super, super cute. It was part of the I Want It All pink and black Halloween bundle. I only have a handful left of these bundles, and then I have only a few left of the paper. I do have plenty of ephemera and the coordinating enamel dots that match the collection. These enamel dots are called Cutesy Halloween, and I used those enamel dots on all of these. So here is the first one. It's this really cute little box. It'll fit some fun size candy in there. So this one has the fun size Reese candy. Plus I added an instant coffee in a hazelnut coffee here because this one I decorated in the Halloween coffee, and I used the sentiment "but first coffee, happy Halloween." It turned out super, super cute. I did put some peel off strips along the edges, and it turned out so, so cute. So these are going to be really fun to give away for Halloween to the neighbors, friends, postal workers. It's going to be really fun to hand those out. The sentiment actually comes from this not yet released mini messages stamp set. Now this stamp set will be released October 15th. It was specifically designed to fit with your Easy Wonder Die banners. This is a great stamp set to have in your stash and combine with your Easy Wonder Dies. It's got everything in here. All of these sentiments will take you through most occasions, and it's a great one to have because they're tiny and cute, and you can see how cute they are on this little box. So let's look at the next one here. So again, I have the but first coffee and then happy Halloween. I added 3 candy bars and then the instant coffee, and it's going to be really cute because they can have a cup of coffee with a little bit of chocolate as a little Halloween treat. And I love the images. It's so cute. And then the paper. So super cute. And then here is the last one. 3 little chocolates again with the coffee. And then that cute image of all the coffees dressed up for Halloween. So really, really cute. All right, so we'll put that to the side. I want to show you the other collection. So this is what the paper pad looks like and the coordinating ephemera. I'll have all these products linked below. The next one here is Spooky Witches collection. There's ephemera and a paper pad. And I think I am running low on this paper pad, but I do have some in stock. Really cute with the purple and the cute little witches. So this is what the ephemera looks like. There's a bunch of cute witches in here. And some have little bat wings, and some are like witches, and some are just like cute little girls holding like a bouquet of flowers, I think it is. Let me see if I can find one. There's one with that witch's hat. There's one with the bat wings. And I think this is the one that doesn't have anything. So she's just holding a bouquet of flowers. She's kind of gothic looking. And then this is the paper pad for that one. And then we have the next one up is our Halloween donuts collection. This is so cute. So this one was able to fit 4 Twix bars in the fun size. And then I've got my Sentiment Best Witches and 3 little ephemera pieces, some enamel dots. I've put Halloween on the back. That's another ephemera piece. And I used the stamp sets. This one's in the shop. This is called Best Witches. So there's the sentiment, and it's a really cute stamp set. And it's got another great little witch sentiment, wishing you a happy Halloween. And that little silhouette of a haunted house is so cute. And then here is the ephemera. It's got a bunch of donut images, a bunch of character ones, and some single donuts just decorated for Halloween. Some sentiments that say donut and Halloween. Really, really cute. There's some gourds in here. And some cute Halloween donut characters. I like this one. Really cute. Here's another cute one. And then the paper for that one. Really, really nice paper. And then my last one here is the Cute and Pink collection. So I used some ephemera and then this little stamp, Happy Boo from me to you. And that is from the Boo Sentiments stamp set that is in the shop. This one's got some great large sentiments. Whatever spices your pumpkin, Witchy Woman, Trick or Treat, Boo, October 31st. And then these great little jack-o'-lanterns. That's in the shop. And I might have some of the dies left in the shop as well, so check that out if you're looking for a die. And then some enamel dots on there. All of them are done in the same way, just different collections. And I had so much fun making them. So this is the ephemera. It's like a watercolored look. Got little ghosts, little spiders, little pumpkins in pink and orange. There's a banner in there. Really, really cute. And then this is the paper pad. And I think I am running low on this paper pad as well. Really nice. Little watercolored look. Really cute. And then for all of them, I used that cutesy Halloween enamel dots. I did use spring colors for this green in the enamel dots. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little project, and I hope to hang out with you tomorrow for our virtual retreat, Enjoy This Life. It's going to be so exciting. I also listed products that were left over from our virtual retreat bundle. You'll see those in the shop. and I made a special section just for those products so you can find them easily. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.